Don't buy a home gadget before watching this. Most people waste money because they pick the wrong one. These are the only 5 you should consider right now. All right, product number 1. This is the 17-ounce, 2-in-1 olive oil sprayer. If you're tired of glugging oil onto your food, this is what you need. What makes it stand out? It's all about healthy portion control. This sprayer gives you a balanced, even mist every single time, unlike those cheap, clunky alternatives that just spit oil everywhere. You get consistent coverage without the waste. So, who should buy this? If you're looking to reduce your calorie intake without sacrificing flavor, or just want a cleaner way to season your meals, this is your pick. Now for the price. You can grab this for under $20. Seriously, some of the basic sprayers go for $15 and they don't have this 2-in-1 functionality or this level of control. With a 4.4-star rating, this is our best overall pick for a reason. Definitely worth checking out. All right, up next, we've got product number 2, the AUOON clip-on silicone strainer. Forget those bulky colanders cluttering your cabinets. This thing attaches directly to your pot for super fast draining. Its killer feature? The secure clip design means no more awkward juggling or food falling out. It's a simple, effective solution that actually works as advertised, unlike so many flimsy alternatives. If you're looking for a practical, space-saving way to drain pasta or wash veggies without breaking the bank, this is your budget pick. And the best part? You can snag this for under $15, a fraction of what those fancy multi-piece strainers go for. With a 4.5-star rating, this AUOON strainer is a smart buy for anyone who values efficiency and a clutter-free kitchen. All right, up next, we've got product number 3, the YARRAMATE E16 ounces glass olive oil sprayer. If you're tired of greasy pans and wasted oil, pay attention. What makes this one a premium choice? It's the dual-function design. Unlike flimsy plastic sprayers that clog or just dribble, this glass unit offers a fine, even mist for salads and baking, or a controlled stream for searing. It's built to last. If you're a home cook who values precision and wants to cut down on unhealthy oil application, this is your winner. It's a no-brainer upgrade over those disposable cans. Now, the price. You'll find it linked below, usually under $20. That's significantly less than other high-quality glass sprayers that offer similar functionality. With a 4.5-star rating, the YARRAMATE is the smart, efficient, and affordable way to manage your cooking oils. All right, next up is the TrendPlain 16 ounces glass olive oil sprayer. Forget those cheap plastic sprayers that clog and break. This is how you actually control your oil. What sets this apart is its build quality and that lifetime assurance. Most units are disposable, but this one is designed to last, giving you a consistent, fine mist every single time for years. If you're tired of uneven coating or just want to make healthier choices without the hassle, this is your pick. It's for the smart cook who values durability and performance. Now, the price. It's listed at $1,994.01. Yes, you read that right. It sounds crazy, but consider the cost of replacing flimsy sprayers over and over. This is a long-term investment, not a quick fix. With a solid 4.5 stars, if you can stomach the initial outlay for a permanent solution, the TrendPlain is the hidden gem you've been searching for. All right, last up, a kitchen essential you didn't know you needed. The Silicone Spatula cooking spoon, 2 pieces with wood handles. This isn't just another flimsy silicone scraper. What makes these a crowd favorite is that innovative thin-edge design. It gets every last bit out of your pan or bowl, no more wasted ingredients or stubborn residue. Most spatulas are too thick, but this one scrapes like a dream. If you're tired of scrubbing and want maximum flavor extraction, these are your go-to. They're perfect for both delicate batters and hearty stews. And the best part? You're looking at under $20 for a set that punches way above its weight, compared to those overpriced designer brands. With a 4.6-star rating, these are a no-brainer. Grab them before the price jumps. All links are in the description. Check the current prices before they change.